Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is a pretty simple idea, and that's to recommit to your practice with a view to how others practice in a different system or school or style. But what I find that people do is when they consider another school, they consider or system or style or lineage or whatever, but not the way you're doing it or not exactly what you're doing it. And of course, you're doing it because it serves your values. It produces the fruit that you value and honor. Maybe that's health or insight or growth or enlightenment or martial functionality or discipline. Who knows? Whatever. Maybe a variety of things, of course. But today's Tàijíquán tip is to open to how others practice, their school or lineage or style or system or way of going about it, but to open to the fact that they get your values, but not in the way that you would have someone get them, not in the order, not in the style, not in the system, not in the format, not through the particular martial art that you think is the best way to get them, but they do get a sense of discipline or honor or respect or tradition or martial functionality or meditativeness or whatever it might be. And so the Tàijíquán tip is to open to the fact that although they do it in a different way, they do get the same thing as you, maybe at a different rate or to a different extent, but they do get it. So open to that very fact in your practice without malice, without jealousy. And this is a tough one, without arrogance, without malice, without jealousy. Leave the jam out of it. Jealousy, arrogance, malice. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for sticking with me and supporting what we do. Thanks.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.